Hello, welcome to iTech Vibe. I'm Shah and teach AI tools. In this video, I want to introduce you some fast AI chatbots without the need for registration. These services are very useful when you don't have enough time or you don't want to register for privacy matters. First tool is a new AI service of the popular search engine Duck.ai, which is in a word extraordinary. In addition to security and anonymous mode, this service uses ChatGPT 5 chat model and other advanced models to generate answers and images for free. Duck.ai doesn't require registration to buy a paid plan and it's very fast. The number of free requests in the service is very good. As you can see, the interface is pretty simple and it's generates answer very quickly. And I should mention that chats are stored locally on your device. New prompts and response are encrypted and temporarily stored on the DuckDuckGo server after being sent to help recover chat if you lose your internet. If I want to talk about the image generation section, I must say that in the test I did with a simple prompt, the image quality is pretty high and satisfying. And you can continue a character in each prompt, which is a very good option for a free tool. Very well, let's move on to the next tool. This service called Duck.ai. Duck.ai also has ability to generate text and image by using ChatGPT Nano 4 or 5 model without registration. And if you want to use other advanced models, you should register and log in into this service. Also, the image generation tool is not good as the Duck.ai, but the response speed in the text mode is good and acceptable. Another free tool I want to introduce you is called Hotbot. This tool also doesn't require registration by default and is suitable for receiving quick and short answers. Hotbot has two free parts. The first part is generating answers by using ChatGPT 4o mini model, and the second part use Meta LLM mod 3.3 for searching in the web and generating answers. And I think the free credit is enough for quick tasks. Okay, the last service I want to introduce you is Duck.ai. If you want to ignore the annoying ads on this service, everything else is good and pretty fast. In this service, you can use the ChatGPT 4 model, DeepSeek, Gemini Flash 2 and Cloud 4.5 model for free and without the registration. You can install Duck.ai app on your phone and you can use it for free. But if you want to another and higher models, you can buy premium accounts, but I think it's not necessary. Well, I hope these tools will come in handy when you have a limited time and don't have to mention for hassle of the login and other things. I'm Shah and thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please like it and subscribe our channel. And if you have any question, please ask it in the comment section. Thank you.